Hey guys, welcome to our channel Simple Beauty Secrets. Today I'll tell you about some DIY life and beauty hacks using toothpaste. Our first hack is how to clean rusted or faded jewelry. You can bring your old jewelry into new life. Apply a generous amount of toothpaste and scrub with a brush for 4 to 5 minutes. Then dip into cold water and leave for 2 to 3 hours. You will make your jewelry look just like new. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Do you have dark lips? Apply a generous amount of toothpaste on your lips. Then take half a lemon and rub it on the area for 3 minutes. Wipe it off with a cloth to get soft pink lips. Are there scratches or marks on your glasses? Apply toothpaste on the lenses and polish for just 1 minute. Wipe it off and here you go! Your glasses are just like brand new. Do you have rusted or faded jewelry you don't wear anymore? Give your old jewelry new life. Apply a generous amount of toothpaste and scrub with a brush for 4 to 5 minutes. Then dip it into cold water and leave for 2 to 3 hours. You will make your jewelry shine just like new. Do you know toothpaste can bring extra life to your mobile phone screen? Apply toothpaste on your mobile and polish it softly. Then, clean it with a cloth. Here you go, see the difference! Here's how to get rid of annoying acne. Apply toothpaste on the blemished area. Don't use your fingers to prevent further infection. Apply it to your face and leave it on for about a minute. Wash it off with lukewarm water. What a difference! Blackheads and whiteheads are so unattractive. Get rid of them by applying toothpaste to your nose. Brush the area for 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse and no more blackheads and whiteheads. That's all for now. See you in my next video. Till then, bye!